We are going to learn two sounds in this lecture, A and A.
For the sake of read aloud, I have told you in the previous lecture that there would be a kind of different variations of the letter R. हम जो इंडिया वाले, बांग्लादेश वाले, पाकिस्तान वाले आर बोलते हैं, ठीक है, नेटिव स्पीकर्स आर नहीं बोलते, दे प्रोनाउंस इट आ. This is the fundamental problem of our listening, that they pronounce it a and we pronounce it r. And especially Punjabi, Punjabi of Pakistan and Punjabi of Indians, they pronounce it r. There is protesters. अब हम पाकिस्तानी और इंडियंस प्रोटेस्टर्स बोलेंगे, लेकिन जब गोरे बोलेंगे आर को साइलेंट कर देंगे यहाँ पे, तो वो इनको कर देंगे प्रोटेस्टर्स. See globalization. So there is another letter sound which is called a. It's a phoneme and it's a diphthong, and we Pakistani people call it and Indians people a, but it is basically a, and this is not globalization, it's globalization.